Gonna catch me like 20 bassy. 20 bassy. I'm talking about some creek bass. Super small hook and some bread. And then they're just like, I'm hungry. Another one.
You're just pulling about one after another.
On the line. There's a big one. Smallest one, actually. They just keep getting smaller and feistier. Stop moving. Open your mouth. Another one for the books. And she's out of there. And when I'm done, I'm just going to throw them all the bread just to feed them. Make them happy. They say someone seems to be eating the bread, though. The fish got to be. I would imagine. I'm gonna have a bass thumb here in a little bit. Shoo-wee. So I'm just catching the big ones. You just let it sink. Oh. Let it sink. You just do it. Big bassy.
Now you're just catching the run over and over again because he's starving.
All right, well, stop moving, guy. Come on, don't move. No one counted. It counted. You don't want to catch a big bassy. I mean, a big bassy. There's some big bassies. That first one was definitely the fattest, and I lost it. I'm super salty about it. I'm just gonna have to find little ponds that run fairly deep and just. And I give it a 1, 2, 3. Where are the big bassy? Oh, that's a monster. For a second, I thought she came off in midair. Beaut. She's a beaut.
What, you're just recording now?
Damn it!
What?
They keep fucking flopping off. It's because the barb is off. Yeah, I'm taking a little video, you know. Just because I'm just on a roll right now. I'm gonna be like, yo, look guys, I caught a big bassy. But altogether, I'm getting close to a pound now. I'm catching big bassy. Give it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Woo!
That's a fatty, right?
That's the biggest one.
Look at that. Look at the belly.
That's the biggest one yet. Look at that thing. Is fat.
Fat, dude.
They're probably about to spawn.
Yeah, some, I don't know, creek. What?
Dinks?
Not dinks, but are they? What are they?
I don't know. I'll look it up.
Sunfish. Another one. Another beaut. Give you that inside view. Can't really one-handed, but you got it. I was looking for that big ones. Feeling good. You want to come down here and catch a big old bassy?
No.
Catch a big old bassy. Any fish is a big old bassy. I'm about to put the biggest piece of fucking bread on here and just see what happens.
Any fish is bigger than no fish, right?
Yeah, man. You see what I'm saying? What's your fish count for the day? 0. Put one on the board, call it a day. You always feel better. Personally, I do. Wow, just swooped the food right off. Must have not been a good pack. Oh! Son of a bitch, don't touch my shit unless you're gonna eat. Big bassy. I guess I caught everything dumb enough to go for it. Not all of them. Ooh! She was running. That's another beaut. Come on, get it, girl. Get it. Fly up the river.
You're fucking.